welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to discuss about wildcard and predicates expressions in XPATH. Using wildcards and predicates in XPATH, generally when we are writing XPATH expression to travels in the node tree, in order to fetch the element value or attribute value or textual representation or processing node representation and so on. In order to get all information from the node tree, we are constructing XPATH expression. In that XPATH expression, we are going to use wildcards and predicates. What is the use of wildcards and predicates in XPATH expression? First one, if you want to select any node, then how to use or how to create XPATH expression? XPATH defines three operators in order to select multiple nodes. See, we need to write all XPATH predicates or wildcards in the XPATH expression. See, that is available in the next slide. XSL template match equal to item, XSL value of select star. Select equal to star. Likewise, it should be part of the XPATH expression. When we are using star in the select class, then it will select any node. We are not specifying the specific node. From the current context or from the current working type, it select any node. And the next one, in the current context, you want to select any attribute, then at star. That should be given in the select class. And then node function, it is available as like a text comment like node function select all nodes in the current context. We are considering the following structure in our example. Inventory is available in the root and then it contains several items. In each and every item we are having description and summary, and then the item element is defined with code attribute, label attribute and manufacturer attribute. The similar kind of informations available in the other item elements. We are going to follow this structure in our discussion. See the example, XSL template. In the XSL template, we need to specify which particular element we are going to create this template. That should be specified here. Match equal to item, and then in the paragraph tag information is going to be displayed. This is an XSLT file. XSL value of which element we need to select. Any node in the current working type, any node we are going to select. Select equal to star. And then next template, this is also applied to item, but here any attribute is selected in the current context. We are not specifying the specific attribute like code, at manufacturer like that. And the next one, both choice can be given here. Either element, suppose the element does not have an attribute, right? The element, I want to select the element, right? What is my objective? I want to select the element. If it has attributes, that is also I need to select. So in that case, either suppose the element does not have any attribute, in that case my objective is not fulfilled. If I am giving at star only, then my intention is not satisfied. So that I am giving, if the attribute is available, then select attribute, otherwise select the element star or at star. And then node function usage is given here. Node it will select all nodes in the current context. Template, XSL colon template, match equal to item. Within the paragraph tag, XSL value of select equal to node. By this way, we are writing the template, XSLT template, which will use the wildcard representation. And then if you want, you can make use of predicate also. If you want, you can make use of predicate also, that we'll see next. Before seeing that, first, how to skip levels in the hierarchy. How to skip levels in the hierarchy. See, in the hierarchical structure of XML document, several levels are available. I want to process only the first level and third level. Let us say, I don't record the second level elements. In that case, how to skip after selecting the first level elements, how to skip second. In order to skip levels in hierarchy, we are using double slash operator. We are using double slash operator. See here, double slash. By using this double slash operator, we can skip the level in the node tree hierarchy. This indicator instructs the XSLT processor about one or more elements may be skipped in between that slash. One or more elements may be skipped in between the first slash and the second slash, but it should be continuous. And then in such case, XSLT processor search down to the hierarchy. It skips the level where we are using this double slash. In that particular level, it skips, and the remaining elements, what is specified in the entire expression, will be fetched. In this, we are going to use the structure. Inventory, subelement item. It has subelements item type, description, code, level, manufacturer. Some of the elements are, some of the item may be element model, and some of the available in the attribute. And then another element of inventory is summary. Some examples are given here. Double slash code. See, code is an element of that structure. Previous slide. Inventory, item type, manufacturer, code. Those are all the sub-elements of item. Here, we need to start from root element. When we are giving double slash code means, we need to start from root element and select all elements, all code elements. All codes are selected here. And then slash inventory double slash code. Select all code elements, that descendants of inventory element. Here in the second model, we are selecting the code. In the first level, we are selecting the code. Start from the root. Root may be anything, inventory or anything, right? Root may be anything. It won't bother about the root. It select all code elements. In the second expression also, we are selecting all code elements. But what is the condition here? It should be sub-elements of inventory, descendants of inventory element. That is the condition here. And then next one, slash inventory slash item and then double slash code. Select all code elements that is coming from item. I mean, descendants of item element will be selected, all code elements. And then double slash, start from the root. We can skip some elements. And the description code. Here also we are selecting code elements, but it has a parent element description. It should have, right? It should have parent element description. In such a way, we are able to write the XPATH expression in the wildcards as well as predicates. And next one, filtering nodes with specific value. As I said previously, predicates are used to filter. Lot of values available in the node tree. Elements, attributes, some other elements, right? So lot of elements available in the node tree. We are going to process, anyhow we are going to process the elements from the node tree, but all informations are not required, right? All informations are not required at the same time. In this specific condition, we need this kind of information alone. For example, when you take the stock application, for each and every product, we know that for each and every product in stock application, it has tracking number, stock in hand, how many items available in the stock, that is present in the information. So whenever that quantity is reduced and it reaches the lower margin, immediately we need to procure that item, we need to purchase that item. That indication we need to get it. In order to get that, we are setting the predicate. We are setting the predicate of display tracking number which has or which reaches lower margin of stock in hand, low stock, right? If that stock number reaches the below, right, low stock, then immediately we need to purchase. This is one example. In another example, after, suppose you are working with e-commerce website, you are ordering, immediately they will be allocating a tracking number. By using the tracking number only, we are able to check where the product is available, in which place the product is available now. That will be checked by using tracking number. See, whenever we are giving tracking number, it display what is the item purchased in that tracking number. All informations are available. Whatever information so far updated, all those informations are displayed. You will be getting only the information regarding the specific tracking number. That is very important. Specific tracking number. General syntax for predicate, for within square bracket, the predicate expression should be, right? The predicate expression should be within the square bracket. XSL apply templates, select equal to, within square bracket, we are specifying the predicate. What is the predicate here? At tracking number. At the tracking number. We will see some example code after this. How to filter the nodes with specific values. The node with specific values. We will see that in the example program. In this example, XSL colon apply templates, select equal to, see within square bracket, if you want to select the attribute, attribute based filtering, if you want to implement, then we can make use of this syntax, tracking underscore number, what we have discussed in the previous, right? If you want to filter the element with a specific tracking number, then we have to give like this. In the second example, I want to filter the records, or I want to filter the element based on position. Select equal to item of 1. If you are specifying like this, it will select first item from the current context. First item from the current context will be selected. Another example for position based filtering. XSL colon templates, select equal to item of 5. See, you just imagine and close the template. I am mainly focusing on predicates, filtering predicates. And then suppose you want to select item 2, 4, 6. You want to select item 2, 4, 6. In such case, how to write the template? How to write the template? XSL colon templates. XSL colon templates select equal to item of 2 R symbol 4 or 6. So if you are giving like this, item of 2, 4, 2 or 4 or 6, in such case you are able to filter second element, fourth element, sixth element alone in the result from the current context or based on current context. The same expression may be rewritten as XSL. In another form we are able to write this expression: templates select equal to item of 2 or item of 4 or item of 6. So we can rewritten this expression like this also. This is based on position, right? And next one, in order to filter, two functions are defined here: last function and position. These two functions are defined. Last and position functions are defined to select or to apply these functions in the predicates to filter the resultant data. In the position, we are able to give relational operators. I'll give an example for this. XSL colon templates select equal to last, item of last, right? Item of last. This is the function, and predicates can be given by using square bracket. Item of last. This particular expression, XPATH expression, will select the last element from the current context. Last item available in the hierarchy. Will be displayed from the current context. And then position based filtering. Again, this is also comes under filtering example. And then here what I am going to do, position function I am going to use here. XSL colon apply template. XSL colon apply templates. Once again, I'll check it out. See, this is apply templates, right? This is not template, apply template. In the previous syntax, I have written that apply templates. This is not template, apply template. Because we are going to apply this template to the specific predicate. Select equal to, I told that based on position I am going to give here, right? Item of position equal to 3. When I am giving like this, I am selecting the specific element. Third element will be selected. I want to select 1 to 5. In such case, XSL colon apply templates select equal to item of position function less than or equal to, I'll separate the condition less than or equal to 5. If you are giving like this, it will select item 1 to 5. Item 1 to 5 will be selected. We will be selecting items based on position function, based on position, and based on last function, last record specifically if you want to, because first record obviously starts with 1, so we are easily identify based on index. But last element, how many item element present in the structure, generally it is not easily rememberable one, because it is a dynamic structure. First time it may be 10 items available, later on in the next purchase it may be increased to 20, or it may be decreased to some of the item is not moved in the sales concern. If such case, simply you are removing those product or those items from your stock. Or sometimes it may be increased. It may be increased to 20, 30, from 10 to 20, 30. New products may be procured for sale. In such case, we cannot identify what is the last item available in our application. In order to get the result of last, we are having last function. We are having last function. By using that, we are able to filter last element from the structure. In the next example, we are going to see how to apply the predicate to filter values, by using attribute value. For that, I am using this XML. Item type, inventory, where I can have item, element, sub element. It has properties, tracking number, manufacturer, and then item is having item type floppy disk, and then description, right? This is the second sub element of item, description, floppy disk, and then close this description. And then slash item. First item is over, and second item, I am going to type the second item, tracking number. Here I want to include one more thing, order. I want to include one more property, order equal to Y. In order to include that, I am including one more element, sub element in item stock, because I want to list. In my subsequent example, I am going to display what all the stock is having an attribute order with Y value. Yes, order equal to yes means that particular item only I am going to order. In order to do that, stock in hand, in underscore, right? In underscore hand equal to 50. Unit equal to 50 or 100, and then order equal to Y. Order equal to Y. I am including one more item, tracking number equal to 456, manufacturer equal to not listed, not listed. And then item tracking number, item type, hard disk, closing tag of this particular item, and then description, hard disk, / description. And then in the next one, stock in hand equal to 100, in hand equal to 100. See, everything you have to be, attribute values are enclosed with double quotes, that you know, that you have studied in the first rules and regulations of XML. Attribute values are item in hand, second item in hand is 100, and then unit equal to 200, order equal to n, no, or yes you can give. Okay, and closing stock / description, stock 3 sub elements are over, / item, second item have been finished. So I am going to close the inventory also. Inventory. See, in this example, what I am going to do, I am going to give the predicates. I am going to give the predicates like this: XSL colon apply templates, select equal to item of at tracking underscore number equal to 1 2 3, tracking number equal to 1 2 3. Right? See, we need to specify the attribute value tracking number equal to. By using this predicate, we are able to select only item 1 2 3, only the item 1 2 3. And in another model, suppose I want to select item type. I want to select item type based on which condition? Based on which condition? At manufacturer equal to not listed. Who are all I mean, what are all the items are contains the attribute called manufacturer. The value for the manufacturer is not listed. Those who are manufacturer not listed, I want to list out those item type alone. Or I want to display item type. What is the condition I need to give? At order equal to y. At order equal to y. This is alone I want to display. For this, I have to rewrite my XSLT as below: XSL colon template select equal to match template. We don't have that. Match equal to root element I need to apply this, and then HTML body. I want to apply this template XSL colon apply templates, select equal to inventory slash item, inventory slash item, select equal to inventory. I need to apply this template here, and then close the body tag and close the HTML, and then second template XSL colon, what I am specifying in the previous template, I am going to apply the template in inventory item, so that I need to create a template for inventory item, match equal to item, match equal to item. So for this I need to write the template here. Within paragraph tag I'm going to display my content XSL colon apply templates, XSL colon apply templates, select equal to item underscore type, item underscore type, item underscore type slash at manufacturer equal to not listed, not listed, item type slash at manufacturer equal to not listed. So that should be given in square bracket, because the predicates are applied within the square bracket. Select equal to slash closing tag. Similarly, what is the second condition? XSL colon apply template, select equal to item type slash at order equal to y, at order equal to order attribute equal to y means then you display the item type. Otherwise the other items, any item which contains an order value as n, no need to display that that particular item. Order equal to y, order equal to y. So this particular select I need to do next, slash close this, and then right, by using this XSL syntax we need to use, or we need to filter the values based on some conditions, Up to this, the predicates and wildcards XPATH expression is over. In the next discussion we are going to see branching statements and control other statements, right? Branching statement as well as control statements, other control statements. Thanks for listening. Thank you.